Good morning, students. Welcome to the computer class of 4th standard. Today, we will continue with the chapter 6, PowerPoint 2016. So, open your computer book at page number 58. Previously, we have learnt about Introduction to MS PowerPoint, starting PowerPoint 2016 and Components of PowerPoint 2016. And today we will do the topic Creating a New Presentation in PowerPoint 2016. So the main objectives of the day are how to create a new presentation and how to add text in the placeholder. So open your computer book at page number 60. Before discussing our main topic, we will discuss one term of placeholder, dotted rectangular box to hold text, images and other objects on a slide. So our first topic on page number 60 is creating a new presentation. So the steps to create a new presentation are: first is click on Start button PowerPoint 2016. Second is click on File tab. Third is select the new option. And fourth is click on Blank Presentation. So let's do its practical in PowerPoint 2016. PowerPoint window is opened on the screen, and at the topmost we are having the title bar, which is displaying the default presentation name, that is Presentation 1, and the program name, that is PowerPoint. And below the title bar, this rectangular portion is known as ribbon. So students, where do you find the ribbon? That is below the title bar. Now we have to create a new presentation, and the steps to create a new presentation are: first of all, click on File tab. Second step is click on New option. And third step is click on Blank Presentation. You can see that a new presentation, that is Presentation 2, has opened on the screen. The second way to create a new presentation is by using the shortcut key Ctrl+N from the keyboard. So students, I am going to press the shortcut key Ctrl+N from the keyboard, and you will observe that the presentation 3 has added on our screen. By default, the PowerPoint application opens with title slide as its first slide. That means this first slide is having the title slide layout, in which you can give any title and subtitle to our presentation. These dotted rectangular boxes are known as placeholders. These are used to hold text, images and other objects on a slide. Now students, if you want to create a beautiful and an attractive presentation, then you can also select any theme by clicking on this Design tab. So now click on Design tab, click on this More button, and from here you can select any theme according to your requirement. So I am going to click on Ion theme. Now you can easily give any title and subtitle to your presentation. Now our next topic is on page number 61, adding text in the placeholder. So the steps to add text in the placeholder are: click on Start button PowerPoint 2016. Click inside the placeholder and type the text. So let's type the text in our presentation in PowerPoint 2016. Now students, we are going to create a new presentation on famous monuments of India. For this, we have to add text in these two placeholders, and the steps to add text in these placeholders are: first of all, click inside the first placeholder and then type the title which you want to give to your presentation. So I am going to type here famous monuments of India. Now, to type different monuments of India, you have to click inside the second placeholder. You can also apply bullets. For this, click on Home tab. Click on this drop down arrow of bullets icon and select any bullet. Now type the first famous monument of India, that is Taj Mahal. Press enter key and type the second famous monument of India, that is Char Minar. Again press the enter key and type India Gate. Press enter key and type the fourth monument, that is Qutub Minar. Now you can observe that the size of the text is very small, and now we will do the formatting of our placeholder. So first of all, select this placeholder by clicking on it. Click on the font size drop down arrow and select any size. Click on bold icon to make the text darker. Click on this font color drop down arrow and select any color from here. You can also drag these placeholders to the required location. Firstly, I am going to drag this main heading to upstairs. Now select the second placeholder and drag it to remove these red wavy lines. You have to right click on it and click on ignore. These are the words which are not added in Word 2016's dictionary. So we have to remove these red wavy lines by clicking on ignore all. You can also change the color of the font of our first placeholder. For this, select the text, click on font color drop down arrow and select any color from here. Click on bold icon to make it darker. You can also change the alignment by clicking on this second icon from the paragraph group. You can also put an underline under our main heading by clicking on this underline icon. If you want to adjust the text, then you can drag these A3 size handles according to your requirement. Now we will adjust our subtitle by dragging its A3 size handles. After dragging, we will increase the font size. For this, select the text and click on the font size drop down arrow and select any size. Students, you can also change the handwriting style. For this, again you have to select the text, click on font drop down arrow and select any handwriting style according to your requirement. So I am going to select Algerian. Similarly, select the text that you have given in our subtitle. Click on font size drop down arrow and select any handwriting style. So this is the way to add text in the placeholder and do formatting of these two placeholders. And next we will do one shortcut key to create a new presentation, that is Ctrl+N. Identify the following icon, and this icon is PowerPoint 2016. So students, today we have learnt about creating a new presentation, adding text in a placeholder and formatting of the presentation. So do reading of the pages 60 and 61 and also do practice of PowerPoint 2016 by making a beautiful presentation on any topic. Thank you and have a nice day.